Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn to knit this easy beautiful pattern. This pattern can be used in your hat and gents sweater. This is the pattern. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 4 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast it multiples of 8 plus 4 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 8 plus 4 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 22 stitches on my needle, which is 8 plus 8 16 plus 4 extra stitch 20 and 2 edge stitch 22. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, first before you start the repeat, first you are gonna knit 1 and now start the repeat from here. After these 2 stitches, for repeat pattern you are going to do purl 2 1 2, purl 2, knit 2 1 2, knit 2, knit 2 together and yarn over, knit 2 1 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 2, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Purl 2 1 2, knit 2 1 2, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over and knit 2. So we have done all repeats here, and after you finish all repeats, for the last 4 stitch, purl 2 1 2, knit 1, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side, for row 2 and for every wrong side rows, purl all stitches. Row 3, for row 3 your edge stitch slip on the right side and start the repeat from here. First knit 1 and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 2 1 2, and here we are gonna do yarn over, purl 2, knit 2, and here before we did knit 2 together and yarn over, and now we are going to do yarn over and SSK, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice and knit these 2 together through the back loop, yarn over SSK and knit 2 1 2. That's the repeat from here to here, purl 2, knit 2, yarn over SSK, knit 2, again purl 2 1 2, knit 2, yarn over SSK, and knit 2. So we have done our all repeats. Your last 4 stitch, purl 2, knit 1, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 4 rows, row 1 to row 4 over and over again until you reach your desired length, and after your few repeats your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.